Bruh, seriously? Bruh, this is like, I've never felt nothing like this before. All right, today I went ahead and I couldn't wait any longer to next year to the iPhone Air 2 comes out. So I just went ahead because I need to upgrade my iPhone 13 Pro Max and my iPhone 14 Pro Max. So stay tuned for the next video because I actually got the sky blue one on the way to be here hopefully Monday or Tuesday. So here's the space black and the 256 gig, the splice black, or space black, and the 256 gig. All right, so let's get this thing open and let's check it out. Come on, man. We ready to get in the box, man. We've been waiting. UPS was taking all day. I say next time I got to find out a better way of getting this shipped. So I'm probably either going to go to the store, the Apple store, the T-Mobile store, or whatever, and get this one done. And get this one picked up, I meant to say. So, all right, let's see what this is all about because I've seen it in the stores, but I actually never got to hold it in my hand because every time I went to the store, it was hooked up to a wire. So here's the iPhone Air. All right, let's get it out the box, and we're going to do a comparison between the iPhone 16 Pro and the iPhone Air. Lord, I can't believe how light this phone is. All right, let's do that peel. Ah, oh, that was satisfying. Bruh. Bruh.
Seriously? Bro, this is like, I've never felt nothing like this before.
And I just love these matte sides. Bruh, this is the smallest phone in my holding a cell phone in history of it, something being this small. Look at that USB-C. Bruh, I don't even care that it don't have two batteries. I mean, I don't even care that it doesn't have two cameras. It has one 48 megapixel camera. It's got a flash. Yeah, I know we only got one speaker too, but I'm cool with that. I got a battery pack that I can actually use on this. Yeah, and I don't care that it has two cameras. One camera is fine with me because I'm not actually going to use this for recording. I'm going to use my iPhone 16 for like pictures, recording. But I'll mostly use the front to do like selfies and stuff like that and family things. So about the battery pack, yeah, I could buy an Apple battery pack. They have one on Amazon right now for $59 instead of $99. But I already have a pretty nice battery pack right here that I can actually use right there. And this one actually fits perfectly. So I can have that one. I'll link this one down in the description if you want to pick this one up. I paid like I think $24 for it. All right, so this battery pack works just as well, and I think this one will be great for it. And this one has a 5,000 milliamp battery. I'm not sure about the Apple one yet. I'll have to look that one up. So this one is very slim, and I know the Apple one, that one's slim too, but I think this one's a little bit slimmer. But we'll find out about that one. I might decide to purchase it anyway, just to compare them. So let's go around. So very slim compared to the iPhone 16 Pro cameras. And this one is the space black. This is black titanium, but I got a skin on it right now. So you can see a major difference in how slim the iPhone Air is. I didn't realize it was actually that slim. I've seen videos, but you know, videos, not until you physically get it in your hand, you'll understand it more. So, all right, now let's get to on with the unboxing. Oh, I also just remembered about the camera control button. So we got the camera control, which is almost the same as the body of the phone. The button, they slimmed it down. Also with the power button. Then we got the action button, which is tiny, and the volume up, volume down. So I wanted to see that button that's on the iPhone Air is actually smaller, or it looks smaller than the iPhone 16, but it kind of almost looks the same. All right, so that was that. Now let's get on to what's in the box, which we probably already know what's in the box. Nothing, as normal. Yeah, the braided 3-foot USB-C to USB-C wire. I'm finally getting rid of Lightning on my old iPhone 13 Pro Max and iPhone 14 Pro Max, and I'm gonna have just all USB-Cs, which is cool now. Faster charging. So what else we got in the box? Just the manual and the directions, but we're not gonna go through all that. That's it for that. All right, so back to the iPhone Air. So that's it for the unboxing. We're gonna do the next one with the setup and all of that. So stay tuned for that one. I'll be doing that one with my sky blue iPhone Air that I'm getting Monday, and I also have some cases and a screen protector for both. Also, what I picked up for the iPhone Air in the space black is I actually got a case for this one, which we're gonna do right now. And then I also got a screen protector, but I'm gonna put the screen protector on another time because this one's gonna take a little while. And we're already into about 10 minutes of the video, which I still have to edit after we do this. But here is also the clear one that I have for the sky blue iPhone that's coming on either Monday or Tuesday, like I said. So I'll unbox that one. So stay tuned because I'm gonna unbox that one when I receive that iPhone. So, but right now we're gonna unbox this one so we can put this one on, so you can see what that one looks like. That's everything in the box. So this one also comes with a screen protector, but I'm not gonna actually use that one because I'm gonna use the matte screen protector with the glass, with the privacy glass. So I'll do another video when I'm installing that one. So stay tuned. So I'm just gonna use this. I'm gonna use this screen protector right here. I'm gonna use this one as a backup in case I need it uh, when I run out of these. So I'm gonna do that for a different time. So we're here about the case to go on the iPhone. And here's the slimmest case I could find so far on Amazon. I'll link this if you want to buy this iPhone Air case right here for your space black or any other color iPhone Air that you have. This one actually will go well with it too. So this one's very thin, and I wanted to try to keep it as thin as possible so the iPhone Air I can actually get the full feel of the perfect thin design. I don't want to lose that feeling. So we're going to slide that in here. And fits just like a glove. It's actually very, very thin, as you see. And like I said, I'll link this in the description. I'll also put it in a pinned comment. It gives it a little edge or to protect it, and also protect your screen. So we put it down like that. We can protect our screen. Also, it covers the buttons. Also, the camera control button, as you see, it has a little dip down so you don't accidentally press it when it's in your pocket. So that's what it looks like. And this one, I normally don't see the action button actually covered up like that. It's usually uh, bare. So this one's actually covers the action button. Also covers the volume up and volume down. So this is how it looks. Nice smooth feel. It has that matte texture, but it also has the where you can actually see the Apple logo through there. So that's cool. But that's it. And then want to see that the battery pack actually works on there. So battery pack works just as well. And this is the perfect battery pack for this iPhone if you don't want to spend $100 or $59 that they have on Amazon for the current time. And like I said, I'll link this down there too if y'all want to check that out. Well, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next iPhone Air video, either Monday or Tuesday. But I'm going to work on another video to do this privacy glass. So stay tuned for that one too. And I'll see you in that one, and I'll see you in the new one Monday or Tuesday. All right. Peace.